See me if you need me tomorrow. Number 1. What would I do there? That is not a typo, by the way. Put an A on the outside, because they all three have an A in common. So what would I take out? A. Perfect. There you go. All they had was a GCF. Alright, what about number 2? Grouping? Not necessarily. There's an easier and faster way to do it, but I can do grouping. What else do you notice besides grouping? 4x and 2x can be combined, right? And then I could do it like number 3. But just for practice, let's do grouping for practice. Alright, so what do these first two have in common? An x, and what does that leave me with? X plus 4, there you go. Alright, and the second one, what sign do I pull out? Positive, because this first one was a positive, right? So when you decide to wake up this morning and work, little video camera, that would be great. Alright, so what number do they have in common? 2. There you go. So we do plus 2. I'm going to throw it out the window. I am. Good at this video.
I like it when you draw.
That's old-fashioned, no. What do we have? So that leaves me with x plus 4 left, right? Then I have to clean my board every day, too. What? What? We didn't combine like terms. Hey, hush. Right here, these two had an x in common. So put an x. Oh, why didn't we? We talked about that. We could do that. We could say 4x plus 2x, but just for practice, let's do grouping. Because we've got a problem just like that right here on number 3. But yes, like I can do it faster the other way. If you can do it faster, you do that. We were just doing practicing with grouping. Alright, so let's see. That leaves me with x plus 4, and then x plus 2. See how you get the same answer. Multiplies to be 8, add or subtract to be 6. Same thing. Alright, what about number 3? Do they have anything in common? No, they don't. 4 in the back does not have a z, and the z squared in the front does not have a number. So, well, technically it's 1, but they don't have anything in common. So when they have 3 terms and they have nothing in common, factors of the back number, that add or subtract to be the middle number. What adds or subtracts to be the middle number? 2 plus 2. So both of those 2's are positive. So I'll do x plus 2 and x plus 2. How else could I rewrite that? X plus 2 squared, Jonathan. Very good. Okay? Huh? Is it? Oh, it is a z, isn't it? I think I wrote x's earlier today and nobody caught me. Oh well. Sorry. Alright, what about number 4? The length of a rectangle. As soon as you read that, what should you do? Draw a rectangle. Oh my gosh, we're drawing in math class. Oh, Lord. Okay, so what do we have? The length of a rectangle with area 54 square centimeters. So area is 54 square centimeters. Let's see, the length is 9 centimeters. Goodness gracious, this is word funny. What is the perimeter? So you've got to be careful on this one because you're going to get an answer, and I would bet money that that answer is going to be on an answer choice here, but you're not finished because it said find the perimeter. So what can we do? I need to find these 2 sides, right? Because perimeter means to add them all up. So what could I use to find those 2 sides? How'd you get that? There you go. Area is length times width, and they give me area is 54. And so my length is 9. And Brinkley was exactly correct. 54 divided by 9. How much is that? 6. So each width is 6. And then how do I find the perimeter? Add them all up. So I'm just going to do 2 times 6. And then 2 times 9. That's 12 plus 18. Look, you see how that 6 was an answer choice? I told you it would be. I'm good. I know what they were going to do. I know their tricks. Oh, wow, you're way too close. I thought you went behind me. I'm sorry.
No.
Sorry. Yes, ma'am.
Have you got Scotty registered?
I do.
You need to check out, please.
Yes, ma'am. You're going to take the quiz, right? Okay. There's just on your...
I was going to ask, is it still correct to say the area is base times height?
Yeah, same thing. Tomato, tomato. Follow directions carefully, okay? Alright, let's see number 5. So all of you are either driving or about to be driving, so this is going to be really scary if you don't know what the median is. Where? It's the middle. At least one person in here knows where the middle of the road is. Okay, so in order to find the middle, you have to get them in order, right? And yes, there is a median in the road, and it's the middle of the road, okay? You didn't know that? Bye, Scotty. You too. What's the smallest number? 13. What's the next? And then 15, you said?
16, 19,
16. 2 19s?
Yes.
1, 2. And then which one?
22.
22? 25?
25.
2 25? Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay.
26.
And the rest of them are in order, right? Okay. Okay. I like to take one from the top, one from the bottom, so I can make sure. Actually, I do 2 at a time because I'm lazy. 2, 1, 1. We got 2 of them, right? So how do I find the median between the 2 of them? You can. Okay, let's just think about this. What number is between 22 and 25? 23 and 24, right? What is between both of them? 23 and a half. So if you can do that real quick in your head, then you can save yourself from finding the average, because that's all you're doing when you're adding them together and dividing by 2, and you still get the same answer, okay? Does that make sense? So look, time is money on the ACT. Whatever way you can do it faster is the way you need to do it, okay? Just because we do it one way doesn't mean you have to do it that way. Like, you don't even have to do this if you don't need to. Are y'all okay? All right, that's our bell ringer for today. Before I even hear it tomorrow, I realized it before I even did anything. Mark out 4 for tomorrow because we've already done that one. I was not paying attention, and I had already marked through it, but apparently I didn't mark through it big enough, and I didn't realize until I made copies. So just mark through number 4, so I don't have to hear it tomorrow, okay? Because I just know it's coming. Alright, so we're reviewing today, okay? That's all we're doing. So if you want to move your desk into groups, if you want to work together with somebody, you're probably going to need a piece of paper, because a lot of these really don't give you enough room. The back has challenge questions. You ready? On the back of your study guide, there are 2 challenge questions on page 23 and 24. Do you have to do those challenge questions? No. But if you do them correctly and turn them in tomorrow with your test, you will get bonus points on your test. Now, in order to get your bonus points on your test, I cannot help you on those challenge problems in order to get bonus questions on that test. But I certainly can help you on 19 through 22, and then you can mark out 19 because it's a Bobo problem. It doesn't work out right. You can mark out 19. You got to do the rest of them, though. I can help you on any of these problems on page 21. Any problem you need help on, you call me, okay? Yes, ma'am. 5 apiece, because they're a little lengthy. There's 2 problems. 5 points each. So 10 points altogether. No, on the back. There's 20 right there, and there's another one. They're challenge questions. They're a little lengthy. And I can't help you on those two if you want the bonus point. I can help you all day long, but you won't get the bonus point. Tanisha? There's challenge questions that says challenge at the top. That's page 22. Alright, so, I've got the key. When you get problems finished, if you want to check them, please don't come up here after every single problem, because people will be up here all day long. But I'm going to put the key right here on the corner of my desk, okay? So if you want to come every once in a while and check some of your problems, like maybe once you get through with each section, if you want to check them, then come check them, okay?